Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the coolest features introduced in iOS 18.1, which is the cleanup tool in their Photos app. This amazing feature lets you remove unwanted objects or people from your photos with just a few taps. So let's get started. As you guys can see, I have this photo opened up. So first of all, you go into your Photos app and select the photo that you want to edit, where you want to remove background objects. As you guys can see in this picture, there are people in the background that accidentally photobombed my shot, right? So I want to remove all of these people that are showing in the background here. And this picture should only have me and the actual background without these distracting people in the background. So what I'm going to do first of all is I need to tap on the edit button, which in the iOS 18.1 is located right here. Just tap on this button and you're going to see four different options here. And you would see the cleanup tool towards the extreme right side. If you're using it for the very first time, it's going to download this tool and it might take a few seconds, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your internet speed. So that's fine. Just tap on it. And once I tap the cleanup tool, it already gives me, it highlights these people in the background in these different colors. So it's very easy for me to remove these people now, because if the people are already selected in the background, I just need to tap on these people, like where it's highlighted in the color. Just tap on it and it's going to remove the people from the background. As you guys can see, it takes a split second and it removes the distracting people from the background. So just keep doing that with all the people that you see in the background. You can do the same thing with people or elements, anything. You can remove anything from the background. Remember that this is not a regenerative tool. So it's just going to remove people from the background and then fill that space up using AI. But it's not that it's going to generate things in the background. That's not going to happen. As you guys can see, all the people from the background are almost removed now. Now let's suppose if I want to remove something else. Let's say if I want to remove this tree that you see here, what I need to do is I just need to circle it, make a circle around it, and it removes that tree, but it removes that building from the background as well. So I can just undo, and maybe I just need to do this instead of creating a circle. So that's how you use the cleanup tool. Once you're happy with it, once you think everything is looking good, all you need to do is just tap done. And there you go. Your photo is edited. By the way, this tool uses inbuilt AI. So it's not using internet. It's not uploading your data to a server. It's just happening on your device, which is one of the reasons why this tool is available only in iOS 18.1 on a few selected devices. This AI will intelligently fill in the background to make it look seamless. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can tap the undo button. As I said, you can do the reset or start over as well. So that's there. With the cleanup tool in the iOS 18, you can easily remove distractions from your photos, making them look just the way you envisioned. So do give it a try. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update that comes to you through my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.